Switched mode power supply. In this video, we've primarily focused on the components and the underlying principles of how this SMPS operates. If you're keen on taking the next step and building your own SMPS at home, please follow the link provided in the description for a detailed tutorial. The input stage of the circuit converts the incoming AC power to DC power. A fuse safeguards the circuit against excessive current. An NTC thermistor curbs the initial surge of current during power-up. An EMI filter, consisting of a capacitor 0.1 microfarad 275 volt and an EMI choke, mitigates electromagnetic interference originating from the AC mains. Finally, a bridge rectifier, 3, transforms the AC voltage into an unregulated DC voltage. A capacitor 82 microfarad 400 volt is employed to filter the rectified DC voltage. This component effectively smoothens the voltage, reducing ripple and ensuring a steady DC supply for the subsequent switching circuit. The heart of the circuit is the CR6842, a sophisticated primary side regulation IC. This integrated chip orchestrates the power switching process. The VDD pin supplies power to the IC, while the gate pin pin 8 drives the 7N80 MOSFET, the primary switching element. The feedback pin pin 2 regulates the output voltage, ensuring precise control. The sense pin monitors the current, implementing overcurrent and short circuit protection. Finally, the RT/RI pin, in conjunction with 820k and 24k resistors, sets the operating frequency of the switching process. The power switching stage comprises two key components, a MOSFET 7N80 and a Flyback Transformer T1. The MOSFET, a high-speed switch, is controlled by the CR6842 IC. It rapidly switches on and off, regulating the flow of current. The Flyback Transformer efficiently steps down the voltage while providing essential isolation between the input and output stages, ensuring safety and preventing electrical feedback. The snubber circuit, consisting of a fast recovery diode, resistors, and capacitors, protects the MOSFET from voltage spikes during switching. This circuit dissipates excess energy, safeguarding the overall circuit integrity. An auxiliary winding within the transformer provides power to the CR6842, guaranteeing continuous operation even after the initial startup. The output stage refines the AC voltage from the transformer's secondary winding into a regulated DC output. A fast recovery rectifier diode FR107 converts the AC voltage to DC, while capacitors 1000 microfarad 35 volts smooth the output voltage, reducing ripple. An inductor 10 microhenry further filters high-frequency noise. An LED indicator visually confirms the presence of output voltage. The feedback circuit, comprising an optocoupler PC8-17 and a Zener diode 11.3 volt, ensures precise voltage regulation. The optocoupler isolates the feedback signal, preventing interference and ensuring accurate control. The Zener diode stabilizes the reference voltage, maintaining consistent output. The CR6842 IC sense pin continuously monitors current flow through a 0.8 ohm current sense resistor. If excessive current is detected, indicating a potential short circuit, the IC immediately shuts down, protecting the MOSFET 7N80 and the Flyback Transformer from damage. The feedback circuit constantly monitors the output voltage. If the voltage surpasses the predetermined threshold, the CR6842 reduces or halts the switching process, protecting the circuit from potential damage. The 11.3V Zener diode plays a crucial role in accurately detecting overvoltage conditions. The SMPS has a built-in safety feature. If the motor draws more than 5.5 amps, the power supply will automatically shut down to protect itself and the connected components from potential damage. This ensures safe operation and prevents overheating. In this video, we delved into the inner workings of this SMPS, exploring its components and functions. To bring this design to life, watch our detailed tutorial on how to make this SMPS. Follow the link given in the description section to watch the video and start your DIY project today.